Exit the roundabout onto Sales Road.
Departures. Now it's Boracay time. Ano? Alright. 505 done. Thank you. Hello.
Is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push and
Let's welcome to Boracay Airport. Come here, tatay. Dito ka dali. Welcome to paradise. Diyan ako na siya.
Tayo dun sa kabila pa.
Welcome to Boracay. Let's find somewhere to eat. Mga seafoods. Ang dami namang bintang, galing, ganda. Yeah. Oh, medyo maraming tao kasi it's weekend. Hey, happiness, Boracay! Yes! The first sunset we've experienced here in Boracay. Wow. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun. Ang sarap. Medyo maraming tao kasi it's weekend. But nevertheless, enjoying the beautiful place of this island. Hindi naman siya na-diminish or nalalasan up because what you're gonna enjoy is really the place. Actually, na-amaze nga kami. Sabi nga namin ni Ronnie, it's nice to see Filipinos are enjoying. Natutuwa kami. Merong mga tourists, but majority are Filipinos. And we're very happy on that. Seeing that our kababayans are enjoying our own land. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah, so we enjoyed our beautiful island. We're so privileged to have such kind of, my God, an island. This is really something, and we're very thankful talaga with our ex-president Duterte, no? Na reestablish niya to. And as at the moment, praise God, hindi kami nakikita ng mga talagang mga dungis-dungis or mga kalat-kalat. And it's something na we should do. We should protect this island so that the generations to come can really enjoy it. Kasi mga anak namin, they were very fascinated or kumbaga amazed sila sa the beauty of this island. Yeah. So Enjoy lang tayo. Happiness everyone. Let's picture Daddy.
Happiness everyone.
Yes. This is our first activity. The first day, in-enjoy lang namin yung itong shoreline na to. And then, tomorrow, we will be having our island hopping. And then, yung helmet diving and also for them, the parasailing. I would like the students to experience the parasailing tomorrow. Is that tomorrow or the next day?
Tomorrow.
Okay. And yung tatay ko, amazed na amazed. Sabi niya, hindi niya daw akalain na this is such a great beauty. He's been to a lot of islands, but gandang-ganda siya rito sa lugar na to. And even naman kami, gandang-ganda kami. Yun.
Live band. We'll go the later.
Look, tatay. Yee. Okay, let's discover naman yung establishment na nandyan sa gilid-gilid ng Bayside. Ayan. Okay. We'll find a place where to eat. Okay, marami rin naman siyang 7-Eleven where you can buy yung stuff na kailangan mo, drinks or any snacks. So along the area you can find a lot of stores like that.
Kasama mo yun.
Mga kalaban nila.
Ganda tayo, no?
Yaman pandi ba?
Yeah. Opo. Thank you, dear.
Masarap mag-upload, ma'am. Check nyo, ma'am. Para at least ma-vlog din naman yung market namin, ma'am.
Thank you. EJ, you wanna sing? Sunnyside Cafe. Gutom ka na, tay?
Gutom na ako.
Gutom na? Okay. Malapit na, hanap na tayo ng food. Dad? Golden President Hotel. Saglit na lang, tatay, ha? Hanap na tayo ng food natin. I love Astoria. Bakit ako yung Astoria? Astoria Current. Po?
Libo?
Opo. Yan, oh.
Ako life diver.
Hi! Okay. Stay aside. Ano to, Daddy? What do they have here? We're here now.
Casa Pilar, ma'am.
Casa Pilar, yes.
Every day I live, reminding me why I'm feeling young when we are close together, friends and me. Not on one I need again. You like
I'll go local, calamansi juice. Looks yum. Yun yung the pizza. Yes. Bon appetit, bon appetit.
These are Kia Corel.
Wow, it's Corel. They're using Corel. Wow.
I thought it was a Kia.
Are you going to be an open song here as requested?
Put some music on the song.
Ito pala may ano siya, oh. Fire dancers. Let's get inside and tingnan natin. Ah. Fire dancers siguro yan dyan.